Hey Pisces, what's up? Welcome to your reading. This is for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So let's have a look at your connection from the 17th to the 23rd of January 2022. Give me the overall energy for Pisces from the 17th to the 23rd of January 2022. Overall weekly energy for Pisces towards the person they're dealing with from the 17th to the 24th. Okay. Give me the overall energy for the person that Pisces is dealing with towards Pisces from the 17th to the 23rd of January 2022. All right. So Pisces, I'm getting out here that there's one person out here who's giving the silent treatment. So I'm feeling that this is your person here who's not talking to you. Although this person here does have a lot of love for you, okay, they love you to the moon and back. This person out here does have this intuition, okay, they're intuitively very pulled towards you. They definitely want to settle down with you, okay, and you're the only one on their mind, okay. I feel you're dealing with someone who's very compassionate, okay, but for some reason out here, because you guys have split, because there's been a breakup, a separation of some sort, okay, this person here is trying to heal. They are healing, but they're sitting still, all right. So even if they want to pursue you right now, which they kind of want to, because the love is only there towards you, they're still not doing anything about it because they feel they need some time. You on the other hand here, I feel that you're walking away from any kind of negative communication, okay, or walking away from any kind of sabotage, okay, because this person constantly seems to sabotage the connection, all right. They push people away that they want, okay, they know what they want, but they still, try to win at any cost, okay, and they try to, one up, and it's a very egoistical energy, where you just feel you can't win this battle with this person out here, and even if you do, it's an empty victory. So for you, you feel it's best to walk away, all right, just surrender, let go of this connection, or let go of this communication, or let go of this situation with this person out here. But I do feel for a lot of you, you're still holding on to it, okay. You're at the end of the rope out here, very close to giving up, but I still feel that you are still wanting to give it one more chance, okay, before you completely give up on the situation. Clap for the Four of Swords. Yeah, see? This person here is hopeful. They want a brighter future with you. They're looking towards a future with you, okay, in the long run. Clap for the Five of Swords in reverse. Five of Swords in reverse. Yeah. You're dealing with someone here who's very inconsistent, okay? Someone out here who's very in and out of your life, on and off, okay? One moment they love you, the next moment they're gone, all right? So you're always questioning yourself. Are we together? Are we not together? Are we moving forward? Are we not moving forward? Do you love me? Do you not love me? Okay, so there's this constant contemplation, which is coming, coming off as, this person's coming off as very unreliable to you, okay? So yeah, you're dealing with someone who probably is a heartbreaker, and you're like, I can't deal with that. I don't want anyone hurting me anymore out here, and I'm just done. Whilst this person out here, even if they're quiet, they still are trying to heal, and they're trying to find a way to make these things work out better with you this time around. Okay. Tell me, what does this person feel for Pisces? 17th to the 23rd of January 2022. Clap for the Page of Swords. Why the Page of Swords? Why do they feel the Page of Swords? Okay. Clarify. No. Tell me, what does Pisces feel for this person from the 17th to the 23rd of January 2022? Why the Tower? Wow, you both have the Tower in your feelings, but there's a difference out here. Pisces, for you, I feel you feel that things are over between you both here, okay? Although this person here is your wish fulfillment, this person here was someone who once made you very, very happy. It's coming off as a point where, you know what, I'm not going to take any shit, okay? There's this no shit attitude, okay? Take no shit attitude from yourself, all right? This is what you're telling this person. This is what you feel like. I've had enough. I've taken enough. And now I'm not going to entertain any bullshit from your side, all right? So you're literally shocking this person out here is what I'm getting here. All right, you're literally shocking this person out here by making that move. Okay, you're showing this person your best move, and your best move is like, go to hell. You don't love me? Okay. You want to break up? Okay. You don't want to come back? Okay. You don't want to commit? Okay. But don't expect me to give in this time around here. Okay. But yes, you know deep down that this is someone who was once upon a time your wish fulfillment. Okay. But that's what you feel. Their attitude towards you, this person out here is very interrogated right now. They're spying, they're stalking, they're keeping an eye on you right now. Okay. They're trying their best to analyze every situation on a very deeper level out here, although they're not doing much right now, but they're definitely keeping their eye. They're trying to analyze. Okay. They're trying to analyze every situation, every move that you make out here. Okay. That's very strong spying on you. Okay. But why they're doing this is because they're ready to give you a surprise. You're shocking them by moving away, or by no, by your attitude, and they're gonna shock you. They're watching you. It's like just wait for the, wait for the storm. This is the silence before the storm. That's what I'm getting here, Pisces. It's the silence before the storm. What does this person want from Pisces? 17th to the 23rd of January 2022. What does this person want from Pisces? 17th to the 23rd of January 2022. Clarify the Eight of Cups in reverse. Clarify the Eight of Cups in reverse. What does Pisces want from this person? 17th to the 23rd of January 2022. Clarify the Four of Wands in reverse. One card. Clarify the Four of Wands in reverse. Oh, Pisces. Okay, Pisces. So what I'm getting here is that you are clearly choosing to slam the door on their face. Okay, buddy. Because this is a situation that once you wanted a fairy tale ending with. This was your end all be all. And you had imagined everything with this person out here, okay? The kids, the dog, the hamster, the family, the marriage, the commitment, moving into another place, or whatever it is, whatever you wanted. You imagined everything. It was like almost like a Disney love story with this person out here. But unfortunately, either there was a breakup, okay? And getting for a few of you, unfortunately, either you guys, there was a marriage that there was a fallout in a marriage, fallout in a long-term commitment, or this person never offered you the stability and security. Okay, there was no stability in your connection ever. Okay, it was all built on fairy tale and fantasy and wishful thinking. Okay, but none of it was true because nothing was grounded in reality out here. Okay, and you have that realization and you're like, you know what, you kept leading me on and now no more. Okay, now this person out here, what they want from you is they don't want you to walk away. They know it's the right thing for you to do because they fucked up, they messed up, but they don't want you to walk away, even though they're not doing anything to stop you from it. Okay, even though they're not putting in the effort, they're just stuck and stagnant. They're either being lazy or whatever it is, right? For a few of you, I feel this person here is you're too quick to walk away. For the others of you, I'm getting that this person does not want you to walk away, even though they're not putting in any effort or they're not even choosing to walk or work towards this connection out here. They still want you to stay emotionally invested in them and stay in that rut. They don't want you to go because they need time. I'm getting for a lot of you. This person needs time out here. Okay. What is the mutual energy for Pisces and the person they're dealing with from the 17th to the 23rd of January 2022? What is the one thing that Pisces and the person feel from the 17th to the 23rd of January 2022? The mutual energy. Mutual energy for Pisces and the person they're dealing with. Both of you all are in a lot of pain, guys. You both think that the other one doesn't care, but that's not true. It's not true. Both of you all are in pain. You walking away and this person holding back. No one's happy out here. No one, Pisces. There could be a third party situation here that came between you both. They cheated, you cheated, or there was a third person here who you didn't know about, or there was a third person that you know about, whatever it is. Someone came between you both, or someone out here just, broke the other person's heart out here. Whatever it is, there is a lot of heartache, heartbreak out here, and it has affected both of you on a very, very deep level. And that is something that is overwhelming. Okay, you both can't take the load anymore, you both can't bear the pain anymore. You're both at the end of a difficult situation out here, okay? And I feel you're both releasing that situation. And I feel that releasing the situation is more like either you both are choosing to release and forgive each other and go into your own separate ways, or you both are just wanting to reconcile and forgive each other and start again. I feel it's more of starting again, okay, from your sides. But this is terrible pain. My God, that's a lot of pain out here. But honestly, sometimes I feel it's also self-inflicted pain, okay, where you're both doing it to yourselves. You're both doing it to yourselves. What is the best possible outcome for Pisces and the person they're dealing with from the 17th to the 23rd of January, 2022? Best possible outcome. Apply for the Queen of Wands. Yeah. You're choosing to stay closed off to this connection, Pisces. You're doing what's best for you, Pisces. You realize your worth, you realize your value, and you know what you want, and you know how to get it. Okay? But ultimately what you're doing is you're choosing what is good for your soul. You're choosing what makes you happy. You're choosing what is going to give you security long term, okay? And you're choosing what is not going to give you that mental trauma anymore. You're choosing to walk away, okay? And if any kind of communication, any kind of energetic signals, any kind of messages from this person out here are going to hit a dead wall, because you're just going to be closed off, not entertaining any bullshit. Forget bullshit, you're not entertaining anything from this person out here, okay? It's like that very closed off energy where you're trying to block your heart chakra. You're trying to stay very, very balanced, okay? You don't want to get emotionally driven, and you don't want to make any biased decision out here. Your intuition is blocked right now, honestly, Pisces, but your energy is correct, okay? But when it comes to your intuition's blocked, as in you're just going forward, pursuing your career, your hobby, or something like that out here. You're in a confident state of mind. Whatever decision you're making, Pisces, you're very confident, okay? You know you're doing the right thing out here by walking away from this person, okay? And again, when it comes to communicating with this person or giving this person out any signals where you're still wanting this person or waiting for them, no, Dara. There's nothing. You're just closed off to this person. It's a stalemate out here. They're not budging, you're not budging. And you're like, fine, you know what? You can wait there, and I'm just going to walk away. Yeah, but that's what's happening out here. Because see, when it comes to what you want from this person, there's nothing that you want, because there is no hope out here from your side. 4 of Wands in reverse, 10 of Cups in reverse. You feel it's all over and done with. The potential, you don't see the potential in this person out here. Because they've been doing this in and out, in and out, in and out for a very long time. All right? And I was like, it's like enough. You're saying enough to this person out here. This person out here better get their shit together a little quicker than they can. Because whatever surprise they're wanting to give you, they're wanting to shock you. I mean, they've had a huge realization out here, but they better not be shocked by your attitude or by your response, is what I'm getting. Okay? So that's what I have for you, Pisces. Hope this reading resonates. Do leave your comments below, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.